Next, Jolie Pitt is a responsible dog parent. Look at him, so handsome, he seems so well-grounded and nice in person. The second oldest son of Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt looked all grown up when he was seen walking his very amazing dog in Los Angeles on Tuesday. It doesn't appear that Pax has signed up for college courses since he graduated from high school in June 2021. And if he has, it has been a very under-the-radar process. Also, there were some rumors that Pax was working on a career as an artist. Pax has been spotted being a responsible dog owner several times in the Los Feliz neighborhood of Los Angeles. He has tended to stay out of the limelight. He graduated from college in 2021, with a source telling The Sun he chose not to attend the graduation ceremony to avoid paparazzi. Guys, I want to thank you all for your support and your uplifting words. You can't imagine how it's important to me. It's so priceless. Thank you for that and see you. Bye.